Welcome to Retired, Rewired, and AI Inspired, the channel that helps you use modern AI tools with confidence. I'm Rebecca, and along with my husband Charles, we'll explore ways AI can make life easier, spark new ideas, and help you stay inspired. No degree required. Today we're diving into creating with Chat GPT After 50. What are you dreaming of today? Let's get into it. Have you ever wished you could bring your ideas to life without needing to be a tech expert, a professional writer, or an artist? Good news, you already can. All it takes is curiosity, a few simple words, and a great little AI helper called Chat GPT. We're going to explore how Chat GPT can spark your creativity, help you develop ideas, expand your writing, and rediscover hobbies you may have set aside years ago. Let this technology help you find and enjoy your creativity again. Why creativity matters at every age. Creativity keeps the mind sharp, encourages lifelong learning, builds emotional resilience, connects generations, and redefines what is possible. Whether you're painting, storytelling, gardening, or journaling, creative expression keeps us connected to who we are. The beautiful part is that ChatGPT doesn't replace your ideas. It gives them a boost. Think of it as your creativity consultant. You bring the ideas, experience, memories, and wisdom. AI brings brainstorming, structure, and the ability to remix it all for a new and adventurous outcome. So if you've ever stared at a blank page wondering where to start, ChatGPT is like a spark that says, okay, let's get into this. Writing with ChatGPT. By far, writing and content generation are the most common uses of ChatGPT. It helps users write faster, clearer, and more creatively for articles, emails, stories, poems, letters, or even detailed historical records. Try a prompt like this. Please help improve this brief email and make sure it is professional but friendly. Hi Jeb, please find my article for the church bulletin attached. Thanks, Sue. In seconds, ChatGPT gives you 3 options: simple and polished, warm and friendly, or brief but gracious. Warm and friendly gives us subject, church bulletin article attached. Hi Jeb, I've attached my article for the upcoming church bulletin. Thanks so much for putting this together each week. It's always appreciated. Warmly, Sue. Want to create a little poem to go inside your sister's birthday card with lots of personal, fun details? Try something with detail. Write a poem, no longer than 10 lines, with a fun but also emotional tone about my sister Laura and how she is an amazing sister. Even though she will always be older than me, she is wise, funny, reliable, kind, caring, and takes great care of her family and community. The result? For Laura. She's got a laugh that fixes bad days, a wisdom earned in older sister ways. She knows when to tease and when to mend, the kind of soul you call a friend. She juggles life with grace and flair, a heart that gives more than its share. Her kindness ripples far and wide, a steady light and a gentle guide. And though she'll always be older than me, I'm lucky that's how it's meant to be. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly reshapes your standard prompts into a creative gem with personal touches. You'll get thoughtful words that you can customize, keep what feels right, rewrite what doesn't. The second major use of ChatGPT is to get instant answers and delve into topics to explore your knowledge. Just a few of the many types of learning you might explore are: understand complex topics like math, history, science, or finance, get tutorials, coding help, or study guides, brainstorm ideas or analyze data, translate or rephrase difficult text, explore new hobbies and skills, anything from cooking to AI art. And my favorite thing to add to any prompt when learning: explain this to me like I'm 5. It really helps with clarity. Artistic endeavors. Try a prompt like this. I used to paint landscapes in oil on canvas. List 5 brush strokes I should review to get started again. Not only does ChatGPT provide 5 strokes, exactly as requested, it identifies their name, purpose, type of brush, general movement required, and tips to bring out the best results. Take tech to the next level. Are you thinking of consulting or running a small business in retirement, starting a part-time side hustle, or just into lifelong learning? There are so many ways to leverage technical knowledge. How to code, how to fix code without knowing how to code, formulas, accounting, web design, the list goes on. And if the prompt you use returns a confusing response, just ask for more detail, as many times as you need. Generating new creative ideas. Sometimes the hardest part of creating is finding something new to do. ChatGPT is great at brainstorming ideas when you're stuck. Consider a prompt like, give me 5 low-cost hobby ideas I can start exploring indoors during the winter. Or, what are 10 creative ways to use my travel photos? It might suggest a journal photo book, making social media posts or stories, building an interactive map gallery, turning them into cards, prints, or puzzles, and the list goes on. Each idea can lead to another, and before you know it, you've rediscovered that feeling of excitement that comes with starting something new. Creating with your voice. Here's something you may not know. You don't have to have any typing skills to use ChatGPT. You can talk to it using voice-to-text tools on your phone or computer, dictating your questions, writing, or ideas. That means you can brainstorm aloud, just like talking to a friend. Press the speech-to-text microphone icon and say, help me write a poem about autumn colors with these details. ChatGPT will write while you speak. This is especially helpful for seniors with arthritis, vision challenges, or anyone who just prefers speaking to typing. Combining ChatGPT with other tools. Once you've created something in ChatGPT, you can enhance it with other AI tools. There are literally hundreds of AI tools out there. Canva for design, Pictory for narrative video stories, Midjourney for image generation, Microsoft Copilot for work and productivity focus, and the list goes on. AI tools connect smoothly with ChatGPT, letting your pursuits come to life visually and audibly. A word about paid upgrades. Everything we've talked about in ChatGPT can be accomplished in the free version. If you enjoy it and use it often, paid upgrades can add speed, features, and convenience. For example, ChatGPT Plus provides quicker responses, better memory, and priority access. That's what we use, and so far it's been worth every penny. We use ChatGPT for very different projects. My husband is into deep learning, web creation, and plans videos with it, while I've been delving into Power Query scripts for Excel to advance data analysis in my day job. Paid plans aren't required by any means, but they may save you more time and provide great value. From idea to creation, a simple routine. Let's imagine a typical creative day using ChatGPT. In the morning, idea generation. Kickstart the creativity and set the tone for the day. Do some prompt brainstorming, such as, give me 10 fresh blog ideas about Canadian road trips, writing warm-ups, or motivational quote searches. Midday, creation in motion. Turn ideas into actual content. Prompt for help with script writing, photo caption ideas, or researching a genealogy trip. In the afternoon, refinement. Polish your work to make it shine. Use a prompt to refine a letter without changing your style, or narrow your road trip to 10 specific locations. Evening, reflection and expansion. End the day with inspiration, gratitude, and growth. Take the time to absorb what you accomplished today, plan for your next day, or connect with your community. That's a completely creative project day, guided by your imagination and powered by AI. Keeping it fun and meaningful. The goal isn't perfection, it's joy, it's learning, it's being able to extend yourself into a new world of creativity. If one idea doesn't work, prompt for another one. Add details to steer towards your style. The beauty of creativity after 50 is that you bring decades of life experience into every project. AI just gives you a new way to express it. Let's put a bow on it. So, what can you create with ChatGPT after 50? Anything you can imagine. Letters, stories, songs, poems, scripts, or even your own YouTube channel, just like this one. AI doesn't replace creativity. It invites it back into your life in a simple, easy way. You've earned the freedom to enjoy learning and creating at your own pace. In the comments, tell us what you've tried in ChatGPT or plan to try next. I'd love to hear your creative prompts, your stories, and your successes. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed or learned anything from this video, please click like, subscribe, or share it with someone who's ready to explore AI. Remember, it's never too late to rewire how you see the digital world. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and stay inspired.